Hey everyone! Today we are cleaning my new fridge. I was super scared because the last time we got our old fridge, it was so dirty. I was surprised because this time it was clean. So I cleaned a little bit just in case. In the meantime, this is where I got the things from. Now time to add the food. I love where I got these from. The place where they sell is held by a woman and her husband is a doctor. If you could like and subscribe, so all of this food is verified by doctors and safe. And I hope you guys can find where I got this from because this is the best ingredient for soup. Just these and all done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.